Hey everybody, I saw this on Facebook and YouTube and I had to make me one. I made this out of scrap wood that I had laying around and I just decided to put one together. Actually the crown molding that I have on here is actually leftover scrap wood also too. So it's free floating. That means there's nothing, no legs to it, nothing holding it up. I actually drilled this directly into the wall studs. And it's a nice little slide out drawer. And voila. There you go. Easily done, y'all. I have pictures and step by step how to do it. Or what I did, rather.